Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bluesky, especially if you're new to the platform. Let's jump in. So what is Bluesky? It's a decentralized social media platform built on the AT protocol. Think of it as an alternative to Twitter or X now, where you get more control over your data, identity, and moderation. You can switch between services without losing your profile and enjoy a Twitter-like experience without a single company controlling everything. When you first log in, you'll see your feed. At the bottom, you'll notice 5 icons: homepage, search, messages, notifications, and the @profile icon. Let's start with the icon. This is your profile. You can see followers, posts, replies, media, likes, and even starter packs. To edit your profile, just tap Edit Profile. Change your display name, description, photo, or banner, and click Save. Next, tap the bell icon to see notifications, likes, mentions, or comments. You can filter them or adjust settings via the gear icon. The message icon shows your chats. Tap a message to open it or click the plus button to start a new conversation. You can allow messages from everyone, people you follow, or no one, and even toggle notification sounds. Tap the search icon to find accounts, posts, or keywords. For example, searching for dogs shows top results, latest posts, and feeds. You can also explore trending topics. The homepage icon takes you back to your main feed, where you can create posts using the blue plus icon. Add text, photos, GIFs, or videos. Posts have a character limit, but it's enough to express your thoughts. Bluesky lets you organize feeds. Tap the hashtag or feed icon. Then choose discovery, following, or popular with friends. You can add new feeds, like science, by clicking the plus icon. To remove or reorder feeds, tap the gear or pin icons. This helps you see content you care about first. You can also create lists to organize accounts. Tap New, add a name, description, photo, and start adding users. For posts, you can reply, repost, or share externally. Tap the 3-dot menu to translate, copy, share, or report content. It's super flexible for engagement and moderation. Finally, tap Settings. Here you can adjust privacy, security, moderation, languages, accessibility, and appearance. You can also add another account or sign out. If needed, deactivate or delete an account. These basics will help you get started, but feel free to explore more features on your own. And that's your beginner's guide to using Bluesky. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next video for more tutorials.